All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy is my husband, and we're divorced, but we live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well, that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out, right?
A welcome to a courtroom clash that's heating up fast. A germ-fearing father says daycare is a health hazard, while a fed-up mother insists it's necessary and she's not asking for permission anymore. The judge, all business, no patience for drama. But this battle isn't about custody, it's all about cash. Who foots the daycare bill when one parent is totally against it? Emotions are high, and the stakes are higher. Get ready, because this ruling is going to be, fiery.
Every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you are
an
working
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And
working.
you guys live together right now?
Well, see,
Temporary,
well, the
y'all.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
He
let me ask
wanted
the
to try
question
to make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids?
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this will be a good arrangement. And he would. He would.
because you
Hold on,
trying
one
to-
second, sir.
Please,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him. Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
I understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well,
really,
that's not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do
So
you mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working
time
2
you
days
have
a
an
week.
Yes,
outburst,
sir.
and that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out
I'm
somehow.
trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not. I already told you both. We're not going to have these
So, Dad's whole argument. Germs, seriously, he's treating daycare like it's a full-blown biohazard zone, ignoring the fact that germs are literally everywhere, grocery stores, playgrounds, you name it. The wild part, he didn't even bother to visit the daycare, not once if you won't take the time to see the place for yourself. Can you really complain? It's starting to sound less like genuine concern and more like an excuse to avoid paying. Let's call it what it is.
And
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party
Oh,
and stuff.
wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound
you
like
know?
a good man.
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I need
this?
a break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, you know, she cried talking about, well, what's going on? I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. You said go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know?
well, good.
But she think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are already divorced.
Kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of kids.
Well, you
know?
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he...
Mom just lit a fire. Turns out Dad's a full-blown germaphobe, and that paranoia didn't just affect the kids. It wrecked their marriage. Now the real drama is surfacing. Here's the twist. She's a doctor out saving lives on the front lines while he's holed up like he's bracing for the next pandemic. Could they be more opposite? This case just went from messy to downright explosive.
There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home as
right.
him.
So I just need to kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under the.
You didn't
Excuse
tell me
me.
that.
You know
I tried
what?
to tell you that.
You know what? I'm going to go
I
ahead
tried
and
to
tell
tell
you
you.
what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no to
Sorry,
you.
Luana.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay,
Now
yes,
I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my
so-
plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what?
Clip 4, classic move dads pushing for family to watch the kids instead of daycare. But here's the thing. Where were these so-called available relatives when mom needed help? And let's be real. Most family members aren't trained early. Childhood educators, daycare isn't just babysitting. It's structured learning. Unless grandma's secretly running an accredited preschool, this argument's falling flat. Nice try, Dad, but that's not exactly a solid back.
Is this still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay, I'll go ahead. I see you came here. Excuse me. I see you came here to waste my time. So I'll move along.
And there it is. The judge drops the hammer. Both parents will split the $1 Sakazo Zero daycare bill $500 each, just like that. Dad's stuck paying for something he didn't even want. But here's the twist. Had the judge used his full income for child support, he'd be paying even more tough break. Buddy, sometimes digging in your heels just digs a deeper hole.
Yana,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said about my ruling?
No, I ain't got no question what you said.
Okay, the plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because
At the end of the day, the judge's ruling was solid. Split custody means split costs, and let's be real, $1 0 a month for 2 kids in daycare is actually pretty reasonable. So, what do you think? Was Dad truly worried about germs, or was it just a last-minute play to dodge the bill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're all about the twists and turns of courtroom drama, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around because, trust me, the wildest cases are still to come.